Okay, today I'm going out as a woman who knows her power. Okay, let's go. It seems that something's scary. You have to be in a relationship. You have to have kids. You have to have your driver's license. No! The only thing I have to do is slay. Eat, sleep, slay, repeat. And never forget, your vibe attract your tribe. When life gives you lemons, throw them at your stalker. I do not understand anything anymore about this Belgian weather. Yesterday I went down in a t-shirt, today I go out with a jacket, and tomorrow I will go out with you.